D&T education has over the years evolved from that of a skill-based training to solve problems which are artifact-based. The solution today is very experiential versus just a product itself.
Since 1986 or 85, back then the focus primarily on the problem-solving skill set and also making. And now the focus is on designerly dispositions.
My project aims to tackle the problem of transporting heavy musical instruments, especially for buskers who are not able to afford any mode of transportation.
I address the problem by making a portable cooking station for them to hang on their bags, taking up little space and making out of a material that is able to cook while being lightweight as well.
The real-life problem that I successfully solved was for stroke patients to cut their ingredients using this East cardboard.
Within my community, I needed to identify a problem, and so I went to interview some buskers, and with my chat with them, I managed to identify their challenge in transporting heavy musical instruments.
I have multiple friends in Boys Brigades and Scouts that have complained to me several times that during their camps, they have to bring very bulky and heavy cooking sets.
The research was very important in my design process. I did a lot of research online and read through articles. My grandma, who is a stroke patient, gave her input as well, which helped to refine my thought process.
Sketching is very important because it translates the idea that's in your head onto paper or screen. This process allows you to refine that idea through various iterations so that it can become a final solution to the problem.
Sketching was the most important aspect of the design process for me, as it helped me visualize my prototype, and after many rounds of sketching, it helped me improve on my final design.
I faced several challenges while making this prototype, such as my ideation. As this cook station that I have came up with, I had to create 4 different prototypes and mock-ups, as a lot of them had several flaws that I found. So I tried to overcome this by reworking a little bit of the components every time I saw something.
The kids need to continuously ask what if and why not, and the to and fro between the problem areas and the solution areas. This iterative process builds up the child's resilience. Hopefully we impart a certain level of confidence in them.
The challenges that I faced was time management and getting the correct size for my East cardboard. I have learned to manage my time well. By using a Gantt chart, I was able to meet the deadline for every step of my project.
The teacher's impact is very important because she or he can critically question the solution that the student proposes, and through positive reinforcement and encouragement and sharing of personal experiences, these teachers can then guide the students to a more meaningful solution.
My D&T teacher, Mr. Tan, has helped me throughout the development of my prototype. He has helped me when I felt stressed by helping me to think more clearly and guiding me to use the machine in the workshop.
Someone who can think critically, to question critically, and comes up with creative solutions. This allows the student future readiness, whereby they can go out into the world and solve issues by analyzing and coming up with solutions for various problems that they encounter in life.
I am very proud of how it turned out and very happy to see that all my hard work has not gone to waste, and I'm able to actually see the product in real life itself.
I believe that the busking scooter is able to help many buskers, and it was very rewarding to see my design come to life.
My grandmother has always loved to cook. However, after she suffered from stroke, she was unable to cook. Therefore, I am proud that my prototype will be able to help her and other stroke patients.
D&T Design and Technology is a creative subject, and we hope that pupils who take up the subject will continue to seek creativity to build their own creative self up, and that will augur in well for them in the future.